Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a tie front cuffed sleeve crop top. For the materials, you'll need a shirt that's a size too big, fabric glue, a ruler, scissors, and a pen or marker. First, take the shirt and fold it in half long way. Then measure about 10.5 inches up from the bottom and mark it. Then measure about 8 inches down from the mark in the middle. After that, sketch how you'd like the ties in the front to look. Then cut it out. You'll notice the back has the 2 ties and we need to get rid of those, so cut straight across the back. Then roll the sleeves twice and run a strand of glue around the cuff to hold it down. Do it on the other side. And that's it! It's a fun way to upcycle a slightly oversized shirt, and it really takes no time at all. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching.